Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
And now I see it double, 'cause I can take the trouble. I think it's time to accept that you stick to me like.
Hey, little guy.
Wow!
Come here, Squishy. Come here, little Squishy. Bad Squishy. Bad Squishy.
Wanita SMA BBM tidak sadarkan diri dan terpaksa dilarikan ke rumah sakit.
Dilaporkan, hal tersebut diakibatkan.
Kita lihat si Empi lagi apa ya? Siapa itu? Hah? Kamu udah di sini? I miss you.
我们的伙伴，第8位成员。
别了，MC 여기요.
Leon, sit.
저기요.
Sit.
저기요.
You suck.
来看我们的 monitor。OK。
枪酷感觉。
The moment you could say, let the sunlight in. I wanna feel it from within. You spin me around and make me feel like I could shine. Fuck it all, don't give a shit anymore. Fuck it all, flip the table, screw you all. I don't take this bullshit anymore. I don't give a fuck. My grades never bothered me anyway.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see.
I don't even know what to say.
I hate my husband.
I don't even know my wife's name.
I'm trying to put this family together.
Sometimes I think about just,
I can't put up with this stuff.
I hate my life. Check that out. Everything necessary?
Where's the food?
What do you mean,
Where's the food?
What do you mean, where's the food? You're supposed to get the food.
What are we gonna eat?
Give you a credit card with money in it.
Oh, so you work and I do the food?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you're sexist right now. You're sexist right now. You know that I'm not happy, you know that I'm hurt, you know that I'm doing this, I don't even know what to say to you because you just injected me like I don't even know what to say. I can't believe it. I can't believe
What are you talking about? What language is that? What language? What?
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
最近我特别喜欢这样子摸自己的头，因为感觉特别的凉快，而且这个头发特别好，就是没事，我可以的。
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.